Hey guys, in this video I'll show you various tips and tricks for command prompts which would be really helpful to you. So let's get started. First of all, open command prompt in administrator mode. Right. So our first command would be ipconfig/all. So this command shows all the network related information in your system, like all the wireless adapter information, your IP configuration, your PC details, etc, etc. Right. So our next command is systeminfo. This gives all the information regarding the system, what all drivers are installed, and what all IP addresses, what all hardware details and all, everything, right? So our next command would be to get an IP address of any website. Like, so let's say you wanna get the IP address of Google, so just write ping and the website address. So as you'll see that this will fetch the IP address of google.com. You see, the IP address is now available and many other details are also available, right? So next command would be to get a list of all the drivers installed in the system. So the command is driverquery. See, all these drivers are installed in the system, so the list of all the drivers installed would be shown. Cool. So now I would be showing some cool lists also. Like, let's say you wanna see all the tasks that are currently open, so just type task list. So as you can see, these tasks are currently working and the amount of storage they're using and processing is also being shown, memory usage, right? So let me just show you some more cool commands. So the next command would be cls to clear all the details in the screen, so it would just clear, right? So next I would be showing you how to make the command prompt transparent. Okay. So just go to properties, right click above, just go to properties, and you can see there are 4 options: font, layout and colors. So in colors you can just see the opacity, so you can make it anywhere from 100 to 30%. It's cool, right? So let's say I'll make it 80%, right? So it's good. Yeah, and another thing, you can just also change the background of it. You can just the colors and you can change the background to red. See, it's really cool, right? So you can just modify according to your needs. So I'll just make it back to normal. Cool. Hey, so the next command would be, the next command is shutting down. So you can just set up a timer for shutting down your system. For example, let me show you timer for shutting down. Just type shut down. So as you can see, the system will automatically shut down. So this would be it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.